Good afternoon. I'm Colin Rush with Bourgault Industries, and I'm very pleased to basically launch a brand new product that's kind of a game changer in the industry. It is called the XP Dual Meter. One of the things we talk about in planting technology is the complexity of it. The fact that for every row unit you need its own independent meter, seed counters. Well, what we've done at Bourgault Industries is a little bit of different innovation. We wanted to reduce the amount of meters per planter technology, and we came up with what's called the dual meter. So instead of having 1 meter per row unit, we are essentially now having 2 row units per metering unit, called the dual meter. So behind me, you can see the picture. Actually, we have 2 outlets on the dual meter. So simultaneously, we're singulating and tracking the amount of seeds per row unit, but it's out of two ejectors. So if I look at this, we have a typical soybean plate, but this is actually a quad plate. It actually has 4 different rows, and they're separated here, one for top and bottom. There's actually 2 ejectors here that in our positive displacement meter, we're able to get that 99% singulation that is standard in the planting industry, but we're doing it with half the cost, half the complexity, half the hydraulic load, and half of the electrical load as well. So this is now available product, commercially available. We've been in test and development for the better part of 8 years to get our own singulation efforts here in our planting technology. Available now through our 3820 platform, our FMS frame-mounted seeder platforms, from basically 30 feet, 40 feet, and up to 60 feet, and on multiple spacings. What's really neat about this is the dual meter allows us to change configurations. So on our 3820 platform, if we wanted to do 7.5-inch volumetric cereals like winter wheat, but then switch to 15-inch soybeans, the dual meter with this plate could do that. Now we want to change to 30-inch corn. All we do is we put one little cap in here to block off one of the rows. We put in a corn plate, which is a single row, and now we're singulating corn at 30 inches. This is essentially becoming a bit of the Swiss Army tool for most farmers as they look to chase things like cover crops, carbon credits, but they want the variability that they can have a no-till unit that can go into all conditions and not just have a double disc planter. So with that, thanks for watching. For more information, check out Bourgault.com online or talk to your local Bourgault dealer.